when you speak to people, that is what the News 24 editor said. When you speak to people that grew up there, white and black people, it very quickly becomes apparent that at the mission there was also apartheid. Now, when you use the word apartheid, especially in our country with our sad history, immediately you're negative to whoever they frame. Né? Now, I went to Kotzes about I think 12 times. It's the most integrated community that I've ever come across in South Africa. And you know, I've been all over the place.
Yes.
You know that I've worked 30 years for a municipality, blah, 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 all that history, you know. The services, for instance, are done in English and in Zulu, isiZulu. Because remember what I said in the first podcast, God's instruction, according to Reverend Ernest Deegan, was to spread the gospel among the Zulu community. So you have to put everything into context. That's very important.
Yes.
The overuse, I'm not saying don't use emotional words. I'm not saying don't use adjectives, but the overuse of these sort of emotional words immediately, especially in the headlines, because if it's in the headlines, it's down there as well, can tell you be on the lookout for facts and for the other side of the story and so forth. Your next question.